First, open your web browser and go to bouncechecker.net. You will have direct access to our website. Click on Pricing. Then choose the payment method you prefer, either credit card or PayPal. Once the payment is completed, you will immediately receive an email containing the download link. Please note that this service is non-refundable. Since the solution is downloadable and the download link is delivered instantly, no refunds are possible. We strongly recommend reading the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding with the payment. Now, go to your email inbox and open the download link. The software is hosted on MediaFire. The file is 100% clean and secure. You can scan it with an antivirus if you wish. Everything is safe and compliant. After downloading, you will receive a WinRAR compressed folder. Extract the folder, then open it. Inside, you will find several files and folders. LARAGON-WAMP, Python 3.14, README first, run, and setup. Start by installing LARAGON-WAMP. Follow the standard installation steps, wait until the installation is complete, then click Finish. The software will open automatically. At the bottom, click on Run All. Next, click on the Settings icon and enable the following options. Run Minimized. Start all automatically, then close the window. Now return to the BounceChecker, Setup folder, and run the file as administrator. Click Yes to confirm. A black command window will appear. Simply press Enter. The terminal will start executing automatically. At the end, you have two options. Type Yes in the terminal to launch the solution, or start the solution directly using the Run file. The application will then open in your default web browser. You are now on the login page. To sign in, you will need a username and password. These credentials can be found in the README first file, located in the BounceChecker Setup folder. Scroll down to the Login Credentials section. Email: admin@domain.com. Password: admin123bounce. Copy the email as the username, then copy the password and click Sign In. Before getting started, we recommend reading the BounceChecker user guide to ensure proper and optimal use of the solution. To validate email addresses, including Gmail addresses, you can type, paste, or import them into the dedicated section. Then enter a job name and click on Start Validation. The validation process will begin automatically. You will receive clear results showing valid, invalid, and risky email addresses. You can easily export the results with just a few clicks. Important notice: this solution runs on a local server. This means the computer must remain powered on. Do not turn off the machine while the solution is running. You can also filter results by year, month, day, status, or format. As you can see, the installation process is very simple, fast, and extremely user-friendly. This concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.